today's video, I want to show you guys 3 ways in which you can earn more on Hifami app. Yeah, the third one is the Ubenge of all of it. So the first one is by monopoly farming. What is monopoly farming? This place you're seeing this dice here now, that is what is called monopoly farming. Once I click it now, it will take me to somebody's room. Then I will have to use these dice and play game. So as I'm playing, I'll be winning and I'll be getting more gold coin. I'll also be getting more red packet. So that's number one. Number two is by becoming a trainee. Yeah, when you look at the rank here now, and I click it, you will see. Have you seen it? You see many people here. Some are bronze star, while some are trainee. Yeah. So when you become either a trainee or a bronze star or a golden star, this is how you earn more. Though upgrading to these levels, it requires hard work and you need to put in the effort. Yeah. You will not just become it and you will sit one place. No, you still need to invite more people to become a trainee. This way, your level will be upgrading. So for you to become a trainee, if you're a man, you need 3,000 coins to activate your trainee badge. Then if you're a female, you need 900 coins to activate your trainee badge. Alright, so once you become a trainee, from there you can upgrade to become a bronze star or a golden star. Why becoming a trainee or a bronze star is very important, especially from trainee, is because if you don't have if you don't have if you don't have if you have if someone gifts you or you gift yourself, you won't receive any diamond. If you see here now, you see some people, diamond is beside their name. Are you seeing it? So if you're not a trainee, when someone gifts you or you receive a gift, you will not receive any diamond. But once you become a trainee, you receive 10% of every gift you receive or every gift somebody gives you. Then when you become a bronze star, you'll be receiving 70% of every gift you receive or every gift you give to yourself. And when you join a family, when you're performing family tasks, there is the one they call BFF exchange. So when you do BFF exchange with somebody, if you're not a trainee, you will not receive anything. But once you are a trainee or you're a bronze star, once you're a trainee, you receive 10% when you do it. If you are a bronze star, you receive 70% when you do it. And when you become a golden star, that's the oga. So I will encourage you, once you register on this app, become a trainee. At least from there, you can upgrade to become a bronze star or a golden star. Yeah. Some people might say, your own is not yet activated. Yes, this is my what are they calling it? This is my dummy account. Yeah, this is my dummy account. So I have my own account that I've activated. Yeah, my main account are activated. Okay, so I'm using this one to make a video so that you will know what I am talking about. All right, so try your best. Once you join Hifami, withdraw your welcome bonus, do your monopoly farming, then become a trainee. From trainee, upgrade to bronze star and golden star. Then the third way you can earn on this Hifami is through referral. Yes, referral is the go. Once you have a community, be it WhatsApp, be it Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, anywhere you know that you can post your Hifami link, please do it. Affiliate marketing is working very well on this platform. Let me show you the reward when you invite people. So here now, when you invite someone now, when you invite one person, when you invite one person now, the person withdraw his or her welcome bonus of 150. You receive 60 diamond and you receive 30 energy. Den when the person reach level 10, you receive 100 diamond. When the person reach level 15, you receive 140 diamond, and when the person reach level 20, you receive 300 diamond. Alright, and in a week, if you're able to invite 3 people, the platform will reward you with extra 600 diamond. If you're able to refer 10 people, extra 1000 diamond, and if you're able to refer up to 50 people, extra 2400 diamond. Have you seen it? So referral is very important. Make use of your link, share it to people. All right, share it to people. Once they join, let them withdraw their welcome bonus. As you're seeing here now, check if your name is here, please go and withdraw your welcome bonus. Are you seeing it? You people have met my diamond. See, are you seeing it, guys? Are you seeing it? Juliet, go and withdraw your welcome bonus. And go and withdraw your welcome bonus. Farm to level 20 so that the platform will be able to give me my reward. Sundaram, go and do the needful. Elizabeth, go and do the needful. Samuel, okay, Samuel have done. Who again? Ijoma, go and do the needful. Alex, do the needful. Daniel, do the needful. Okay? Elvis, do the needful. Withdraw your welcome bonus. You have not, your own is because you have not withdraw it, because you have farmed to level 28. Please, Elvis, if you're watching this video, go and withdraw your welcome bonus. Okay? Click on withdraw at the center of your farm. Here now. Here, click on withdraw. You see 150. Me, I've withdrawn my own. You see 150 first. When you see 150, you look down here, you will see withdraw 150, 200 diamond. Click on it, it will withdraw. Once you do it, I'll be able to receive my own bonus. So please do it. Once you are referring people, tell them that they need to withdraw their 150 welcome bonus immediately. And once they withdraw it, then they farm and reach level 20 so that you'll be able to receive the complete 600 diamond reward. So guys, that's the 3 ways to earn well on this high farming. Okay, so I said let me share it with you guys because I know this high farming is still active, it's still legit, it's still paying. People are still cashing out. As you can see, I have 6900 diamond here. This 6,900 diamond is how much? 5,000 something. So it is. I know how much I have in my in my account, in my main account. So guys, take Hifami serious. Sorry guys. Take Hifami app serious, okay? Take it serious. You can also be doing your monopoly once you have up to 15,000. This place they write 4,980. Once you have up to 15,000 there, you can withdraw. All right. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye. See you in my next one. Don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you have not done so that you'll be getting more legit updates from selling.